Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful winter cap. So without wasting your time, let's get started. I got this soothing blue color yarn. It is 100% acrylic and a 4 mm crochet hook. For making that winter hat, we need a needle, a marker. If you don't have a marker, you can even use a pin. So let's get started. We will start by making a slip knot. If you're not sure how to make a slip knot, you can see my previous video on slip knot in this channel. After making a slip knot, we will make a chain of 55. If you wanted a longer, you can add the chains, but the chains should be in odd number. If you are making for a baby, you can decrease the chain, but it has to be an odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will continue doing this till the length of 55 chain, and I will see you at the end of the 2 chains. 54, 55. So this is your 55 chain. Now we will make single crochet, 16 single crochet. We'll skip a chain. One, two, three, 15 and 16. These 16 single crochet will act as a ribbon. Now I'll make a stick marker over here. Now after this, you need to make a double crochet in the next stitch. And again a slip stitch. Your hook will insert in this loop. Grab a yarn and pull through both. This is a slip stitch. Again a double crochet. Again a slip stitch. You will continue doing this double crochet, slip stitch, double crochet, slip stitch till the end, and I will see you at the end of the 2 chain. Now I have left with 2 stitches. The next will be a slip stitch. And the last will be a double crochet. Now you can see we are getting into the pattern. and this we have left for the ribbons. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now we'll skip the first chain over here, yarn over and make a double crochet. In the next chain, a slip stitch. In this hole, we'll put a hook, yarn over and pull through both. Again, a double crochet in the next stitch. And in the next hole, a slip stitch. We will continue doing this till the end of the marker, and I will see you there. Now in this last stitch, we will be doing a double crochet. Now we'll remove the stitch marker, and from here we will be doing a single crochet in the back loops. This is your back loop. We will continue doing this till the end of the row, and I will see you there. Now I've left with 2 single crochet. Again in the back loop, single crochet, and in this last chain, single crochet. So far your work will be looking like this. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Skip a chain and single crochet from the next chain. Single crochet in the back loops only for the 16 single crochets. Continue doing this till the 16th chain, then a double crochet and a slip stitch till the length, chain 1 and repeat the pattern till row 81. After the 81 rows, our pattern will be looking like this. We'll leave a long tail behind to stitch it back. If we measure our pattern from here, our pattern will be approximately 12, almost 13. Now we will fold the pattern like this. And start to stitch it from here till here. One by one we will be taking one stitch. Keep going after one and the other. After you reach the end, just pull it. To ensure it is secured, just go through and through in between these gaps, the needles, so that it is secured tightly. Now all gaps are secured. Now we have to stitch this from here till here. One by one, put this needle in the first hook and in the second loop. Again over here and on this. The next one. Continue doing this till you reach here. In the ribbon, in the first loop beneath and the same loop, just like this. Just go through and through again to doubly secure it so that it doesn't come off. The cap is ready, secured from here and here. So this is how it will look at the end. You can even add more rows if you think this is too small for your head, but the rows should be in odd number. Do like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries regarding this pattern, you can write in the comment section below and I will get back to you. Thank you.